saw you come up there. I saw him come up there.
Oh, nice one, Jay.
That one?
Oh, yes, sir. Man,
Big neck. Oh, that's one of them hybrids.
Yeah, I saw him come up there to get that.
Oh.
There you go. Yes, sir, buddy. Come here, buddy. Don't go nowhere. I saw you coming. You came to daddy. You just came to daddy.
Yeah, Harry came up on you.
Oh yeah, I saw him. He ran over there to it like no other. Bingo. Keep it in.
You ain't hungry again, are you, Chad?
No.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep,
Got him. Oh,
Man, I ain't.
What you do, get hit?
Yeah,
Oh, he
he
got
didn't
it.
drop.
he
You
showed
missed
it.
another one?
He didn't drop
Yeah.
and missed another one.
They
Hey,
playing.
man.
They playing.
Hey, folks. This is what it's going to be today, I guess.
Well, I hit the right hole. Damn. It's too dark in here.
Yeah.
Damn hole. I keep thinking, man. Yeah.
Put up on the hook. Like that.
Oh, that way.
Yeah.
I'm pushing it the other way. I'm going down. Good.
Oh,
Man, come on now.
Chad over there missing them. Can't be missing them when it's slow, Chad. You got to catch them fish,
Catch
man.
them damn things, man.
Oh, I got him for you. I got him
Did
for
you get him?
He came to
but
you.
The problem is, I can't fit this. I got 2-pound test line on here. So when I end up, oh man, that ain't a bad fish.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. Yeah. Nice.
2-pound test line on it, so it's 2-pound fluorocarbon leader. Should make it.
Oh, yeah. No, definitely. Definitely. That ain't no baby, that's for sure.
She wasn't no baby. She gonna make the cut, ain't she? You tried to bully you, Chad. They ain't know you wasn't out there by yourself.
They probably was laughing. Like, what?
He just say,
Yeah, that's it. That's it. This ain't gonna work.
all I get is,
Yeah. Wait,
12 o'clock.
that's what we deliver to, Generate.
There you go.
that's where he at. He got him an old forklift job at Generate.
Now, problem with this is gonna be, you might not see your line a whole bunch because there's so many trees right there.
Yeah, them stumps.
You just kind of got to know where you are. You'll see where you can see your trajectory where you're going, and once you get a certain point, you're gonna be behind a tree, so you won't see anything.
Gotcha.
That's where it's just about make sure that you're watching your line.
Who was that? Didn't me.
Oh, twitch! See, I saw a twitch right there. I didn't feel anything. Ooh, I didn't net on this one.
Ooh.
God, I'm not gonna flip him.
Get him. Grab at him.
No. Well, shoot.
I'll get
Can
him.
you grab him?
Get his.
Oh no! See, that's what I didn't want to do.
Oh.
This line is so light.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got that 2
Yeah,
pound.
I
You
got that
said.
2-pound test line on there. It'll
Ooh,
break off.
now that's a boss.
Yeah, that was a Shirley.
Ooh.
That was a Shirley.
Morning here, Shirley.
Wow.
Welcome, Shirley. Hey, you got a few of them going eyeballing.
Come on over there.
So you see on that fish right there, I didn't feel anything, and I was watching my line because I knew I was already in. Go get him out of there, Chad. Get him out of there, Chad.
Yeah, Chad on it.
Oh.
Got me, goddamn Jay.
When they fall in the water, they swim away. They don't wait on you to catch them again.
Got your mind,
Yeah,
Chad.
they swim away.
Chad, what they playing
Yeah,
with you
I don't know
today,
why.
man?
Yeah, that's me. I'm dropping right down there. So, there you go. Is your bait on? Your bait looks like it's off your
So,
Okay. And you want to throw at 10:30, 11 o'clock.
10:30.
Drop that another one.
There we go.
Ooh.
Come here, girl. Come here, girl.
Get in the boat.
That one
What
surely
you
fly.
waiting on to get in the boat?
As he told you, ain't no sense in us begging. Let's go catch some fish that's biting.
I ain't gonna be. There's one thing for certain, two things for sure.
Stump. There's a stump right there, and there's a stump right there. I'm gonna try and back us up so we
Oh,
can
I
line
see.
up on them stumps. And there's a third one right there.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to throw between them three. I'm gonna back us up a little bit. Get us in better boat position.
I'm hitting stumps. When my line popping a little bit.
No,
If
they
it-
in
if
there.
it- If it's twitching,
Mm-hmm.
that's not a stump, that's a bite.
Yeah, they in there.
1, 2, 3. Now again, I done moved the boat, so hold on, let me line you up. Let's get that intro on the next one, y'all. Here we go. I was just calling for it, wasn't I? There you
Bring
go,
him in,
Chad.
Chad.
Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Ooh, Chad got a monster.
Oh, wait.
A monster.
Get him in the boat, though.
Yeah, don't let it get off the hook, man. Chad got a monster up in there, man.
What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale.
Ooh, trophy.
And you know we are out here on Lake Oconee. That's one thing. But we're with Jay Grice, JG,
Boom. Boom.
and
Look at
Chad. Go by Poon Daddy.
Poon Daddy player. Look at that.
Big Daddy.
We out here catching some of these Oconee slabs.
He got a whale.
Yeah, he got a nice. That's a nice big Shirley right there. That's a nice big Shirley. So say something to the folks. Say something.
Again, this is Taurus Poon Daddy. Once again on your radio station, live, Lake Oconee.
We on the radio station. That's
Talking
what
to
we
the
doing?
Sheilas, the Shirleys, the Phyllises, the Candaces, the Keishas, and the Lashandras. Come holler at your boy.
He getting all of them. All of them. All of them.
Man.
So folks, we gonna see if we can put some of these Oconee slabs in the boat. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. They are some of my subscribers, folks.
Come get him.
Thank you so much for your continued support of my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, I done threw over there by that tree.
Me too.
Go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified. Drop down right there, Jay. When I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale.
Let's go get
'em.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Got him.
Oh, yeah.
Said let's go get him, and we got him.
Yeah, right on point.
She ain't the biggest one, but she gonna make it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's going to make it.
So what we doing today, guys? We looking for quantity. We looking for quality. What we doing? What we doing? How many fish are
I
we?
say quantity.
Quantity. We'll go with quantity, man.
There we go. We'll put
You
some
know,
quality. in there.
it's summertime. We need some fish in, in the grease.
There we go.
It's summertime.
Well, let's just get them.
I just gave her extra 20, extra 10. Just let it drop down.
Oh, there's another twitch. You done messed up again. Ah, see, that's what's wrong with that 2-pound test line.
It damn sure did pop.
Yeah, it pop off on you. So that's why when I get them,
Yeah.
most of the time I try and net them.
Versus dragging them in.
Yep. Yep, you can't muscle them.
Look there. They jumping around out here. One over there, one over here. Oh, look at Chad. Coming in.
Got another one.
Incoming.
Yeah. There go Phyllis.
Squiggle, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, there you go. There you go. You messed up and gave me a twitch. That's where you messed up. I could get that fish in here if I had enough. If this rod head was on the other side, I'd have that fish in here.
It's a nice one, ain't it?
Yeah, but she got me wrapped around the tree. There we go. She got out of it. She got out of it. If it was wrapped on, if that hook was on the other side of this thing, that fish would have been in the hook. This fish would have been in the live well, and I'd be back out there already. So, she was deep. Let her go down a little bit lower. Got to get in there deep. Might get her pregnant, but you'll get her.
You can make it. You got us on the spot. You got him right on top of it.
Find some fish that's biting. Oh, there we go. Wish this was on the other side. I would have had this fish in by now. Except the handle's on the wrong side.
Hey, that's the best thing. That's how you catch the fish.
Oh, that's why I caught it. Because I got the handle on the wrong side. I got it tied back up here and say, oh, that's the way. That's not a bad fish.
No, that's nice. Shirley got a little cousin.
You didn't know you had it.
No, I knew. I knew it was small.
Just a difference on a fillet or cut the head off
That's
and butterfly.
A whole fryer or a fillet. Either way, they stinking up the grease. Oh, there you go, Jay.
Yeah, come on in here, buddy. I feel you.
Swing him, swing him, swing him, swing him.
Oh, la la la.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You put it back there already?
Hmm?
Hey, man, you got to get some camera love on that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this in. Put some love to him.
He put that. He put that one away.
Oh no.
Oh,
Check it out.
okay. All right.
Here we go, baby.
Now, see this here. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Mine ain't
La
here.
la la la.
Yeah, you got the good one. I got the baby. You keep that one. We're gonna let this one go.
You got turn your seat.
Go on out here now. Get.
Huh? You got it? Oh, I'm gonna get it.
What we looking for?
No, I'm gonna get it raw. You had it hung up. Yeah. You got it.
Big one and white.
Yes, yeah.
300 pounds.
Yep. Something that's gonna.
Think anyway. Big head with nothing else.
Get that, Chad. Bring him in.
Come on there.
Ooh,
Another brim.
oh, you the brim master. Hey, brim eat good now.
The brim, they get hard.
Yeah.
Yo, they want it. They aggressive.
All right. Let's see what you weigh there, baby.
Let me get.
What you say?
That is
Oh shoot, we all off.
17.
798, 7 almost 8 pounds. That's only 8 pounds.
No, you didn't eat good. Look at that. You
Oh,
you've been
you
eating
did-
good.
Yeah,
now.
he has eaten.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've been eating somebody's baby.
Yeah.
Got a couple of fish in there.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Pull it right up. Yeah, see how? There you go, Jay. Oh, there it is. That's a bass. We got them all. We got them all. That's the one we was missing. Oh, get him out of there, get him out of there, get him out of there, Chad. All right, now swing him from there. There you go. should make a fryer. I got the camera right there.
Good.
Uh-oh. Yep, got another one.
Give me a net, Jay.
Yep, them are catfish. Just drop it in there, I'll pull him in. Where you at? Come here, you. That ain't the worst cut you got.
Give me a big boy. Give me.
There you go.
Right on, you don't.
He didn't want to come out voluntarily, huh? All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. What's our inventory? What we got again, you say? What you count out?
2 catfish, 5 stripers, 21 crappie, 1 bass, 3 brim. Looking at about 35, boss.
And a partridge in a pear tree. What you got to say? What you got to say, man? What you got to say?
Another good day with Drysdale fishing. Love it.
You go with Drysdale, you come back with slabs. Slab over here, slab over there, slab over there.
We bringing this
everywhere.
man home with us.
Slabs everywhere. Sometimes the other fish get on our way. So folks, we had a little bit of rain that come on us. You can look at the sky here, you can see we got a little bit of rain coming. The recreationals run us off the water. We stayed a lot longer than we normally do. And it's getting hot. So I appreciate y'all coming out with me as always.
Yes.
And for you all, I appreciate everybody who watches this channel. My long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thanks for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Jay Grice.
What it do, what it do.
And Torrance Poon Daddy. Catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.